Are you ready to upgrade your kitchen? Well, let's take a look at Mountain High Appliances and all the cool stuff they have. Today I'm at Mountain High Appliances and I just took a tour with Jason and Casey. They showed me so many amazing features to stoves, microwaves, coffee makers, everything that you need for your kitchen.
So it's only allowed to take water. It'll wipe out much easier. So you could do like fish, cod, catfish, haddock. Let's do Nile perch, why not? So what they've done is they have a little water line that just goes into here and refills it to the filter. Specific temperature can be used for some sous vide applications.
So you have sous vide, steam, gas, induction, and regular oven.
Oh my goodness.
It's been like 8 minutes, but you can look at these. It's looking pretty good. You see those plumped up?
These guys use ceramic grinders, which are the first in the industry.
Yeah.
I mean, residential industry. I don't know if I would consider it to be an absolute must-have, but if you sous vide cook a lot, then I would consider it a must-have. It's a German take of Wolf Sub-Zero.
Love this
Got a force.
natural wood stain.
They're sealed. This is actually a sealed pantry drawer here. So in for the mountains, they're gonna walk, so the bears hopefully can't figure this out.
Yeah.
But these guys are going for the design on the inside.
Oh my gosh, that's awesome.